रहीम रब इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Dear students of class 8th, today our topic is the relative mass and standard units. Now question arises, how can you find the mass of 1 kg vegetables? So, dear students, this is the balance. If you put 1 kg stone in one side of a balance and put some vegetables on other side, when both sides are in equilibrium, then the mass of vegetable is relative because it compared to 1 kg. 1 kg stone is the standard unit which is used to measure the different things, and these vegetable is the mass of vegetable is relative because it compared with 1 kg stone. Okay, now if you can we find the mass of an atom with this 1 kg? No. Why? Because you can't find the mass of an atom because this hydrogen is very smallest part, and we cannot find these types of atom with this 1 kg. Yes, find the mass of an atom of carbon 12. Carbon 12 means, why this is known as the 12? Because proton number is 6 and neutron number is 6, and when we add both these, then 12 will become, and the mass number is equal to 12. If we put one side of the balance carbon 12 and another side is also carbon 12, then this balance will be equal. It means this is easy to equilibrium with the help of carbon 12. Okay students, if we divide this carbon 12 into mass of carbon 12 into 12 units, then both are equal, and this is the easy way to identify to balance carbon atom. Okay, now what happen if we take oxygen atom? Now what happened that this oxygen, we know that the mass of oxygen is 16 and these units are only 12. It means now this oxygen will be heavy. Now what happened, we add 4 more carbon to this oxygen. Now what happened, when we add 4 more carbon atoms, 4 more carbon units to this one, then the mass of one oxygen atom is equal to 16 units. Okay, one thing will be remember that one part of this atom is equal to 1 AMU. It means that this is very important point, and this is the most remembering point, and this one is also mentioned in your book, in which the relative atomic mass of an element is the average mass of an atom of that element as compared to 1/12. 1/12 means one part of this, and 1/12 means कि 1 divided by 12. इसे हम easily compare कर सकते हैं कार्बन को. Now what happen if we compare the mass of one oxygen atom with 16 AMU? It means that this relative atomic mass of oxygen, now oxygen is equal to the 16 atom of carbon, because now oxygen is the relative atomic mass because it is compared with this carbon atom, and this sodium atom is also the relative atomic mass of sodium is 23 AMU, and the relative atomic mass of nitrogen is also 14 unit, because all these are the compare with the same units of carbon atoms. That's why they are known as the relative atomic mass.